So we've been letting fireworks off in the middle of Nottingham. Not a good idea on New Year's Eve.
What problem with this? Gentleman is my no friend. But you're still I'm staying here. I'm staying here.
We let fireworks off in the middle of Nottingham.
Please, this is no problem.
Just a little bit further.
Adam?
Just back up a little bit further. Give us a little bit of work.
Miles away.
A little bit further, mate. I'm being
I'm
fair.
nowhere near, mate.
Right.
I'm literally nowhere near the situation. I'm
Okay.
back about
That's
3
fair
metres.
enough. Right, that's fair enough. But just for my guy's safety, I'd like you to back up a little bit more, if that's okay. I'm not being rude to you.
I know.
Being pretty respectful.
Fair enough, okay, I'll back
you.
off a bit.
Just that way, a little bit away from them.
I'm problem.
I'll go this side, yeah?
That'd be perfect, mate. Thank
Alright,
you.
mate, no worries. It's public interest, that's what it is.
I don't think there's much interest, is there?
Well, yeah, setting fireworks off in the middle of Nottingham town centre, that's not good. That's why he's under arrest, surely.
I'd imagine so.
It's not good then, is it?
What problem?